Knowing your customers is key, but most systems only show names and emails. With Putler, you can instantly segment and export customers by activity, value, location, or loyalty so you can personalize offers and drive repeat sales. For customer exports, let's go to the customer dashboard. To get the best results, start by selecting your preferred date range. Then apply filters to segment customers any way you like. Want to reward your most loyal buyers? Simply select the Champions and Loyal Customers segments from RFM, or use the Total Orders filter to find customers with repeat purchases. Running a regional campaign? Select customers from the US, Europe, or Asia using the location filter. You can even celebrate longtime buyers by applying the Customer Since filter. Once your list is set, click the Export button on the top right and download it in CSV. The file includes customer name, email, order count, revenue, and location. With this, you can run loyalty programs, create segmented campaigns, or perform RFM analysis to better understand customer value. In just minutes, you'll have precise, actionable customer lists without messy spreadsheets or manual sorting. With Putler, exporting is effortless and quick. It provides you with all the data you need at your fingertips. You no longer need to depend on your accountant or your store admin for the numbers. Log in and connect your store's businesses to Putler. Filter what matters, export in seconds, and put your data to work. Try Putler. One-click exports, smarter decisions.